This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is an art attack. Hello, Mars. This is art attack. So we have got the heads. This one is from 2003. This is the animatronic version. I have been commissioned to restore this one. That one is from series 4 of Art Attack. This is the This is the animatronic one. So it's all in brilliant shape. It is in really good nick. So what needs to be done with this one is not much. The eyes, well, the eyelids have just stuck to the eyeball, so when it's being used it's moving his bottom eyelid, which will eventually go. It caused too much stress on there. So that is the one we got to do. Now this one, this is a major one. See, it looks quite good there. But then you get to the back and it is quite bad. As you can see, he's all been caved in, so we have got to pop it out. The ear split here, which is easy enough to fix. We can do that, no problem. So yeah, they haven't been in public eye for years. Quite surprised to see them when they're up for sale on eBay, but the now new owner has entrusted me to get them presentable again. This one's very good anyway. So yeah, in this video I'm going to free up his eyelids. Annoyingly, the transmitter battery's gone dead, so I can't test the workings of it because I don't have a battery for me to charge. So yeah, let's get set up, and it won't take long, this one. You can probably watch me as I do it, because there's hardly anything to do really on this one. So yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so we need to try and unstick the eye from below. This one's bad. This one's got just the corner of it been nicked onto the eyeball itself. So I've got some liquid. It's watered down. It's basically like glass wipes that you wipe your glasses with, but it's in liquid form. But it's been watered down to make it not as strong. And this, I'm just using my stick to try and encourage it to unstick. I'll wipe the excess off my hands. Now we've got to be very careful and try and unstick. Can you see that very edge there? Can you zoom in? No. Come on, zoom in. basically is stuck on my eyeball. Luckily, because of the quality of the foam, it's actually easier to work on. There, can you see that? There you go, we got it. There you go, we have got it free. There we go. What I'm going to do is put some, I think I got some baby powder behind his eyelid to prevent it from constantly sticking. But before I do that, we are going to clean this eyeball. If you enjoy this content, please click like and subscribe. Just clean it out. I'm not going crazy as it's not taking anything off. You actually ain't going to really notice the difference, to be honest. It's just something that I like to do. Try and shine them up again. This one's got a bit of stainage there. Should be able to get it off, not too sure. I don't think I will be able to. It's the actual plastic is stained, never mind. So yeah, so we've got this eye free. Yeah, it's a bit sticky, that one. You've got to be a bit careful. So let's do the other eye. This one got plenty of gap to get in there. Okay, sticking out now. Might see if the wife has any powder, baby powder. That's gonna stick again. So yeah. Now we just got to do the back of his head. So in this stage, we are going to apply a little bit of latex inside here. I'll try and film it while doing it. I don't want to mess it up. So there we go, he's all done. Let's have a look. There you go. That is the head. All done and free. If you like this video, please subscribe to the James Prop Maker channel. Bye for now.